The sun is finally out. I'm like, okay. What was so scary?
Going in the water.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. You see, I'm all dolled up, looking good in 46-degree weather. Luckily, fortunately, today is the second to last day, and we get right back into the high 60s, low 70s, which we love because that means spring is here. March starting strong. Anyway, it is a Tuesday, February 24th. And we are at Agave Bandido. I put too much DDD, didn't I? Anyway, me and my friend, me and my bestie, my homegirl, my other half, April, we decided to do like a little quick date during the week since our jobs are flexible. And she was out here. I was like, yeah, girl, I need an impromptu to break the cycle of working, eating, sleeping, mommying. Like, I need to get glammed and feel like I have a life outside of my everyday regular routine. So that's what we're doing. She told me this place has bomb drinks, so I just let her know. I arrived, I parked in the garage. This is real cute. I haven't actually been in the perimeter area, Dunwoody area, in a very long time. I used to work here, and I used to have a ex-friend that used to live out here, but that was like years ago, like 3-4 years ago, and so much has developed here, and I'm looking like, oh my god, never knew that. So here she go. I see her right there. Oh my boy, let me show you my girl. Not me seeing her in her red jacket. She always stunting. Anyways, I just parked. Hopefully I ain't seen nothing talking about some paying for parking, so I'ma just go out and do my thing. So let's go. So y'all, I came back home. We had a pickup. Now we came to pick up my son from school. Today was such a great day. I had a great time with Kiki and Haha. We're like, let's do this Saturday. So me and Bestie gonna do it Saturday. And my other friend, y'all saw in the last vlog, we gonna be spending more time because she gonna have some more free days before I start back work. So I'm sitting here like, oh my god, my friends are being more free and we're gonna be outside in spring. Spring is my favorite season, so starting the spring vlog strong in all things spring. To me, spring is the season where the year actually starts. For me, it's not January, it's March. And I love spring so much. I had a spring baby. Like, God gifted me a spring baby. Like, I love spring. After I delivered him, like, I went into the hospital. It was gray, it was cold. When I got discharged after birthing him, the trees started flourishing, the weather was warm, like chef's kiss. I wasn't pregnant in the summer. I love that. I was outside walking my newborn. Like, it really helped with my postpartum. Look at my baby. Where's his jacket? Where's his jacket at? Anyways, I digress. Let me go scold my husband because he don't got my son jacket and I'm so confused.
Some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need you, 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 I need you.
Good morning and welcome back to another day. We have quite a lot to do just today, and we're starting off strong. We're getting ourselves together, putting ourselves together, because this is the season of blossoming into our best selves. So I wanted to get back into my truest and my realest root and foundation is just feeling my best, so putting my best. So we have a few dressers to pick up due today, and I have some videos to edit and things like that. So we're just gonna take you on a day. It rained all yesterday, so it's really looking gray. I'm praying it clears up and the sun starts coming out. Let's go get dressed and head out the door. So today's outfit, can y'all even see my shoes? I got my Birkenstocks. These jeans I got from Target. Now they're kind of big, but I love it. A little wrinkly, but it's neither here or there. I got this from the thrift store from the last vlog, and I just felt like it was very dressed down. It had like a button piece, like this is very 90s. And I just took it off and I realized it was just a button. So cute, so chic. So yeah. I used to be so afraid driving over it. Why? My anxiety, because it makes no sense. I'm on it now and I'm like, okay, what was so scary?
Going in the water.
We got the dresser, y'all. We're now doing gas. The sky is going in and out, but these clouds are dense, so I'm praying you'll be sunny this weekend, but it's okay though. Turn off the car, but so far so good. It is 12 basically, so we got one more pickup and then we got some errands to run before we pick up my son from school. So we got a lot to do because we're not trying to do any work this weekend. So y'all, we at the Goodwill to pick up this dresser we bought yesterday. It was pouring so hard yesterday, we just did not pick it up. So now we're picking it up. Wait. Okay.
There's so much dressers back there. They posted up. They have a nice standing one just sitting in the corner.
They haven't put it out yet. So we gotta come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah, just to see.
Just to see. Y'all, I'm so irritated. I only found one of these. I've been looking and looking, and for some reason I can't find the other pair. I can't find the other pair. Like, what is this?
I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get it, look so nice, you look nice, true. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you.
This one is finally out. Where is Tubi? Baby, I didn't know I would be a Tubi fan, but I am a Tubi fan now. Oh my word. Ball. Ball. Next day. Outfit of the day. Got these mesh pink flats. I need to buy more of these. All this is thrifted. The skirt, the top. And I love it for the arms. Okay. And yeah, this is what we got going on. Let's see what we get into today. What's the matter? You mad I'm not talking to you? We were late. We missed the meeting. But it's cool. It's cool. I wanted to go to some open houses today, but they're open so late, like 12:30, and I guess that's typical of the price. But I'm like, I'm not gonna be in the area for long, so I don't know. And we're trying to keep my son busy, okay? So right now, starving, hungry. We at my husband's favorite taco joint. If y'all know, y'all know. This is Taco La Villa. Why did I say it like that? Tacos La Villa. Okay, they got the best tacos, and it's not an arm and a leg like you would pay anywhere else. 3 tacos, fried Mexican rice, and some refined beans. Amazing. Okay. And some homemade juice. So I'm in the core. I'm charging up my iPad, funny enough. I'm debating if I want to post this video now. I feel like I did color grading, but there was some scenes when I was looking over it, I was like, it threw off the product. Like some of the products, they're white, so it bounced off. It just didn't look right. So I'm still debating, but I think I'm gonna just post it anyway. We're gonna see, okay? And we're gonna see what we get into. I went to look at some house stuff I'm really excited for. We're gonna take on. So I was looking at some like different faucets I want to replace the faucets with and things like that. So we'll just see. It's almost my son's nap time too. So let's just see. You see, the whole vibe today is just see. The clouds are finally breaking up. I'm seeing some blue. And funny enough, it didn't rain, so I don't know why it was so cloudy and cloudy that long. I like when the sun wakes me up in the morning. Why you dragging it out when the day is almost done? Like, yeah, I'm gonna need you to stop. It need to be out here right now by like 8 a.m. Cause why not? Why not? So yeah. So second outfit, we came back home, rested. 71 degrees. And this is what I'm wearing. Necklace by my friend Ashley. She always has me jeweled up like best taste in jewelry. This purse we thrifted together last week. And here I'm wearing the flats I wore earlier. You can't even see them, y'all.